Welcome to the tutorial for updating faculty education information on Project Concert. This video tutorial will guide EMU nursing faculty seeking to update their education profile. Please be aware that these instructions were created in March 2018 using a temporary faculty account. Therefore, your screen might look slightly different from what you see here. Please pause the video if these instructions are moving too fast or if a break is needed. If you need to review a step, pause the video and return to the appropriate step. From the Project Concert homepage, click on the Information tab in the sidebar to the left. Click on the Education tab here. Find the Education Profile options right here. Click on the drop-down arrows and select the appropriate degree option. To update alma mater, click on the fill-in box and type in the institution that conferred the degree. To enter or update the year the degree was conferred, type in the appropriate year here. To update the highest nursing degree, click on the drop-down arrows here and select the appropriate degree option. To update nursing degree specialty, type in the appropriate specialty in the fill-in text box. Verify that the updated information is correct. If necessary, refer back to a previous step and update the information. If satisfied that all updates are correct, save the changes to your education information profile by clicking on the Save button here. You have now completed updating your faculty education information profile.